All right, so today on the bench, besides all these wires, and we're actually going to get in the field and test this, is we're going to look at the Just OK Mini by the Ham Radio Duo. Now, this is a lightweight, portable 20-meter antenna. I've spoken to it before, but today we're actually going to get it out there and use it. It has this nice Cobra head connector deal, banana plug connector deal that you can put the radio directly into that it came with. Nice radio, really like that. Good wire, field repairable. We like to see that. Ready to go. I put this elevated when I use this antenna, not just on the ground. And then it comes with this little 4-foot whip that screws in up top here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, there's a little bit of controversy with these style antennas, especially when it comes to 3D printing, about who invented what antenna, what type of style. I really don't care about that. I just want to get out in the field and use it, which is exactly what we're going to do today. I'm going to use 75 ohm coax, so we will be using a tuner, but I believe you can get this resident on 20 meters, and we're going to be using this BNC adapter straight in the 75 ohm coax. Let's head outside, see what it looks like deployed. All right, guys, so we're out here with the Just OK Mini. We have some 75 ohm coax into an adapter into another adapter. We have the radio that came with the antenna over there, elevated. And then, of course, the whip is fully extended. Now, this antenna should be resonant on 20 meters with 50 ohm coax, but it's not because I'm using 75. So we're going to run it through a tuner, but it shouldn't mess with how it performs that much. So now that we're back in the shack, we are using the FTX1F today. I'm using it because I'm still getting used to this radio. I have the 705 over to the left next to it, but this radio is top notch. I'm really, really a big fan. So we're gonna go ahead and bounce around to 20 meters. And I wanna take it, first things first, we wanna change our width. Let's do that one. I wanna take it out of data mode. And let's just see what we can hear sideband wise. Let's zoom to some voice portions. There we go. Now we're getting closer. Alright, so now doesn't seem to be anything on frequency. We have to tune this because we're using 75 ohm coax, and this antenna is designed for 50. So let's see what we can hear now with the Just OK Mini. There's a station.
November 4, Whiskey, Quebec, Bravo. November 4, Whiskey, Quebec, Bravo. Calling CQ and standing by.
Why not? We'll give it a shot. Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
CQ.
Yeah, I didn't expect to make a contact with him. Honestly, I don't expect to do much with 10 watts on such a compromised antenna. But we'll give it a shot.
Angry old man. AOS.
Hey, angry old man, look at that. It's the Bodie McBoatface net. If you're on a boat, check into this net. If you're not on a boat, you too can check into this net. This is their frequency. They own it.
I remember when I was living up there, we used to have hotter temperatures up here than we had than my Judy's parents when they were living down here.
Hotter temperatures than Judy's parents.
Kilo Mike 4, Tango, Tango, Tango.
Kilo Mike 4, Tango, Tango, Tango.
Good morning, Walt. Thanks for picking me up. No traffic. I appreciate you being there, picking me up. KM4 TTT.
So not bad on receiving. So we'll go ahead and jump back over to data U. We're going to dial this down so you don't have to listen to the dulcet tones of FT8. We will jump over to 20 meters, FT8. And just to be sure, we'll hit tune again, tune everything up. And we're going to call CQ for a while, so you guys don't need to hang around for this. This is via PSK Reporter, and this is using 10 watts on the FTX1 into the Just OK Mini. Now, caveat, I am using 75 ohm coax, but this gives a good idea of how the antenna was performing. You can see that we got pretty far into the northeast, got a lot of contacts along the east coast, and a lot of spots along the east coast as well. You can see the pink blob has us kind of pointing towards northeast with a southwest null where nobody can really hear. Now, this could be because there's nobody there or just because propagation wasn't in my favor. You can also see some light spots on the left-hand side of the screen in Japan. Here are the contacts we made from Louisiana. You can see we got one in Florida, one in Texas, Ohio, and a few other states to the north. Now, this is corresponding with the PSK Reporter. So just in 30 minutes, we made about 5 contacts on 10 watts. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with the performance of this antenna, and I really like the way that it came out. It's lightweight, good to use for FT8 and CW operations. I recommend it.